Hello, good afternoon wherever you are. How are you all healthy in the Lord? My name is Vincentianti Sendang, a student of psychology. Topic: the role of parents in child psychological development. On this topic, we will expand the concept of parents taking in the psychological of the child. Here I am with my friend on behalf of Marta Talan. We will discuss the topic in the form question and answer conversation. We are starting our conversation with the first question.
Good afternoon. According to the topic we have discussed at this time, what do you think the parents' attitude toward child mental and psychological development full subject?
Okay. My opinion on the impacts that parents' attitude on a child mental psychological development mental. As we know, childhood is a golden age and vulnerable. Why? Because kids are good topic. Kids, it says, because the child always give away everything he sees, both positive and negative. They assume the apprehension the issue is right or wrong. They can replicate the triggers of their impact they had when they became others. Thus, West prospective parents must understand its child development and set a good example of conduct and habit of child. In addition, two family factors informing mental factors are also vital for the good of child. If the child lives in a good environment, the child of God get their personality and behavior.
Okay, fine. Thank you for answer. An example of parents' behavior on attitude could have a negative impact on the child psychological development.
Yes. Of course, parent behavior can have negative impact on baby's development as emotional. For example, aggressive parents tend to have the same terrains. Lying in also communicates attitude the parents often adopt toward children eat poorly. These behaviors can affect the child mental development.
Childhood is the time when curiosity is highly. How do you respond to that?
Okay, according to my disport, a children they most curious about something, so we as parents have to understand a child world because also a children they want to know something that they don't know yet. Okay?
Is there a fundamental difference between normal children and then who have psychotic disorder?
Yes, okay. Normal care. Children need tasks such as jogging and healthy properly. Children appreciate that attention given children who are predisposed to inattention in a way that display poor manners. When given attention, children have the hope of being superhero and others. But after being told that is fictitious, they understand. Children have realistic and expectation and needs that can be met by parents. Children have unreasonable expectation to realize a child has a good relationship with parents, extended family and friends. Children of MPD. Children who are predisposed to attention and a way that display bad manners given this attention. The child always believes that he is the greatest and the child on anyone the no greater than they are. Children have unreasonable expectation who believes that he have a time to making or keeping friendship. Okay, Marta.
What would be the description of the child as having psychotic breakdown?
Okay. What could be the expression of child having psychotic breakdown? It is anxiety disorder, anxiety eating disorders, mood disorder, and schizophrenia.
And is there future therapy for those psychology disorder?
Yes, there is in family what to take the chauffeur to psychotherapy in order to address disorder.
Would a parent's full and educating children affect the mental faculties?
Okay. What I know is that our parents have duties to care for us, to give their child all the best for him. It can have a powerful influence on the child mentality in what and with he will be as positive and what his parents teach him and how it affect his surrounding.
If you ask a psychologist, is delinquency like brawling a parental fault? How do you respond?
Okay. How for delinquency is inseparable with parent. Additionally, the battle of friendship environment is one of the most decisive factors. We have Hermione complain about how difficult it is to find solution to the delinquency. A contributing factor that leads to delinquency, school counsel parents is one that leads to delinquency that is closely connected with the parents. Additionally, the battle of the friendship environment is one of the most decisive factors. We have Hermione complain about how difficult it is to find solution to the delinquency. Not infrequently, complaint generated from what our parents as the closest thing to a child, whereas parents should be the closest thing to teenager who can get hurt. The problem occur in the family circle are the principal causes of young ones becoming unbalanced in the world. The important factor that leads to delinquency are the of family, environment, and friendship. These two factors play an important role in your development of thought and life for the future. Parents certainly should take special note of their children's growth in life, especially adolescents. Okay, Marta.
If turn out that child has a psychotic break, what would you say if as an old child? That's where the parents will seek out psychotherapy to help their child health. But there are times when a parent chooses to take care of her own child. Parents, you have story about a children suffering for psychotic break.
Okay. Of course, there's a story about children having a psychotic break. Passing on Algen's name was a boy living in the Lefix of Faktukon Takari district Kupang Regency. She was the fifth of 4 children. Algen is no stranger to ear of the Takari district, especially on the outskirts of Timor Road. He was born with a mental illness, was known for genetic factor. Algen is a person with a psychiatric illness but has a behavior that is very chill, doesn't want to look guilty. He would even get angry if someone messed up his sandal or one his toys. From the times his leg was shackled, he had nowhere to go and was currently in the Naimata hospital.
Okay, I feel sad about your story. I hope the patient will recover quickly from his illness.
Okay, you're welcome, Marta. Thank you for your time. A good conversation. Good afternoon. Thank you, Marta.
Okay, good afternoon too.